Go ahead.
I think our meat is about ready. See, it's all brown. Everybody, it's Nancy and me, Regina, two crazy friends of cooking. We're shooting today here from Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we're staying at the Carolina Grand. We got Kelly
and Paula.
and of course behind the camera is Randall. Russell with the muscle. Already drained it and everything. That's what your meat's gonna look like. And then you're gonna get 2 packs of original taco seasoning. And you're gonna pour both packs into here, just like so. And stir it around. Just like this. Until you get it mixed in really, really good. Just like that. And if it seems like it's a little dry from where I took the grease all out of it, you can come over here and add just a little bit of hot water in it. Not very much, but just a little bit. To help stir up that powdery mixture in there. So it ain't so dry. You know what I mean?
Yes.
Move that just a little bit more. Okay. And this is what it's going to look like. Okay, now I'm going to set this off to the side. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to get some Fritos. And this is just your regular Fritos. And you just take and sprinkle some down in this pan. Just a few. So it's about like this. Okay, next thing you want to do is you want to come over here to the microwave. Remember them refried beans, Regina?
Yes.
You want to get them refried beans out. And what you're going to want to do with them is you're going to want to take your refried beans, spoon them out so you can spread it. So I just put dollops of it down over here like this, all through it. So I can spread it out, just like so. And I use 2 cans of refried beans instead of just one. Now if you want to make a smaller one instead of making a big one, just use 1 can. It don't have to be quite this big if you don't want it. Okay, now I'm just going to kind of spread this out a little bit down over top of those Fritos. Just like so. It's very simple and very easy.
This is the perfect thing to fix for like a Christmas party or a Super Bowl party. It's perfect for Super Bowl parties because it's quick, fast, you know, and it's just so good. And you can either make a small portion or you can make a large pan full.
You can make a couple pans full if you have a lot of people coming. You know, you can use it for anything, any kind of gathering, party, anything. Okay, then I want to come over here and I'm going to sprinkle my meat and my taco seasoning all over them refried beans. Because they're also going to get down in them refried beans, the flavors, and just enhance it too, you know?
Uh-huh.
So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to get it all through here. Mix it just like this. This is actually, I mean, you can use it for parties or whatever, but it's also a good meal.
Mm-hmm.
My family loves it. You know, you go to Taco Bell, you order a taco salad and stuff like that. You know?
Mm-hmm.
So this is just like making just your own big one at home. Okay, now what we're going to do is, we're going to come over here. We already got our lettuce all cut up, and I cut it kind of small. You want to take your lettuce and just spread it out all over the top of that, just like so. It ain't got to be perfect. It ain't got to be nothing fancy or nothing like that. It's just good and cut up. It's actually kind of pretty, I think. Okay. Then you want to come over here. You want to get your tomatoes. And I've already got them diced up. And I cut them kind of small. And I just take them and I just sprinkle it all over the top. Just like so.
I just love how easy it is to make.
It is so easy and so simple. And I'm going to tell you, kids love it. Kids really do like it. That's all I do. And see how I got some juice left? I'm just going to take it and pour it in there. Because it ain't going to hurt a thing. Just like that. See how pretty that's starting to look? And now I got some fresh onion. Already chopped up. Don't overpower it with your onion. Because some people don't like a whole lot of onion. So I'm not going to put all this onion in here. Just a little bit. I love onion.
Me too.
But some people don't. Anything that you don't like, you don't have to put in there. And if you can think of anything else that you would like on it, you can put it in there too also. It don't have to be just like this. Okay, next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to sprinkle some cheese. And I'm doing sharp cheddar cheese because I like that sharp cheese.
You know, some people like jalapeno peppers on theirs.
You can do that too.
Mm-hmm.
Anything that you want. Because it is like a salad.
Yes.
You know, and you can put anything you want on it or in it. It doesn't matter. Okay, a cup of cheese. Okay. While I got my cheese, I'm going to come over here and I'm going to put a little bit of salsa on it. Not everybody likes salsa, but I like to kind of drizzle it over that cheese and stuff. So just take and dab it here and there. Salsa gives it that extra little kick. You like salsa on yours, Regina?
Oh, yes.
And if you want more salsa, once you put it on your plate or in your bowl or whatever, you can do that too. It's just up to you, whatever you like. I do it like that. Put my salsa. Okay. Now I'm going to come back over here. And I'm going to put some dollops of sour cream. Just like this, your regular sour cream. Now if you don't like sour cream, don't put it on it. It just depends on what you like. I'll just go a few here, a few there. It's actually a pretty dish. Don't you think so, Regina?
Oh, yes.
I like the sour cream on mine. Just like that. Put a little bit more. When you get it in your bowl, you're going to mix it all up anyway. And when it's in your belly, you mix it up, it's going to get all mixed up anyway too, ain't it?
Yes, it is.
It all goes to the same place. Good.
Yes, it does.
Okay. Then, I'm going to come back with the remaining of my Fritos. And I'm just going to sprinkle them all over the top. Just like this. So you get a bite of Frito with your salad. And you can also use tortilla chips, any kind of chips that you want to use. It's up to you. Make it your own. And just like that. And that's your finished product. What do you think, Regina?
You know what I think? Let's try it.
And it didn't take no time to make it either, did it?
No, and you can tell that's a pretty deep pan, so that's going to feed a lot of people.
A lot of people. Let's spoon us out some, Miss. What you think?
I think we need to.
Like always, Regina, I'm going to wait on you first.
Woo, that's the way it's supposed to be.
So I'm gonna let you do the tasting test, okay?
Yes. Well, since I was making you brownies at 1 o'clock in the morning this morning, I think it's the least you can do, friend.
Absolutely. Absolutely. I agree with you 100%. How about that?
That looks good to me.
Now let me get myself some. And like I said, you don't have to add salt to it because the chips already have salt in it. But now if you want pepper, you can add your pepper on top. Whatever you want. It's up to you. And it is just so good. How about us trying out some of this?
I think we need to.
Let's sit down. You know the cook's gonna have to have some, right?
Exactly.
And I love it. I love my sour cream, my meat in it. The corn chips just give it that crunch. That is so good. I got it on my face.
Yeah, but it don't matter.
I do got it on my face.
Just joking.
Okay, Regina, say hey.
Hey.
Regina, give your lyrics.
No, but we
Hey, everybody. It's me, Regina.
Hey everybody, it's me Nancy.
And me, Regina. Two crazy friends of cooking.
We're recording today from Carolina Grand in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. This is Nita and Angela. Hey everybody, and after we do our cooking and we eat our dinner, we got to have our dessert, don't we, Regina?
We sure do.
And you know where it comes from, don't you? Krispy Kreme.
Just remember, when you're on vacation,
I want this.
no diets allowed.
I want this. I want it now. Until next time.
Two
Crazy friends of cooking.